It's hard to believe it, but it's hailing in Tucson. It is hailing. If you can see, the hail is coming down very heavy. I have never seen this before. Uh-oh. The cars are really getting hit. It's really making a lot of noise. And it's coming down really heavy. If you can hear the cracks, it's almost hitting me. I'm going to pan down to the ground. All the white specks are hail, and they're very large. I'm going to back up so I don't get hit on the head. This is something you never see here. Now it's slowing up a little bit. I'm going to pan down and get some close-ups of the hail. It's still coming down a little bit, but at a slower rate. You can hear the thunder in the background. This is very odd. Now it's just raining a lot. Well, we're going to have a lot of dented cars.